We've always wondered about solar, trying to lower the electric bill, trying to not use as much electricity, use what we have, what the Lord has given us, which is the sun. So why not go solar? And when we called about it, Freedom Solar came out, talked to us about it, and we actually signed up immediately. One of the things that we liked about Freedom Solar was they have a 25-year guarantee. The other thing is we liked how they said, how much do you want to offset your electric bill? We liked that. They wanted to give us that choice. Last year, I looked up our June bill. It was $388. This year, it was $73. The solar payment plus the $73 was still so much cheaper than last year. But the kicker was we were able to lower our thermostats down a couple of degrees, enough to make it much more comfortable, and still our electric bill was less than last year. Solar there's just no reason to not do it.